Welcome to the virtual tour of 46 Bream Bay Drive, a listing we are excited to bring to the marketplace. Situated on 809 square metres sits this two-bedroom home with full kitchen and open-plan living and dining. The two double bedrooms are complemented by a separate bathroom, separate toilet and handy internal access single garage, currently rented by a professional property manager for the last 7 years. The home is located in a sought-after road near Ruakaka Surf Beach, a handy short walk to the Batch Cafe and directly opposite a public walkway to the entry of the Ruakaka River mouth. The rear of the property houses the workshop, shedding and office storerooms, which have recently been used by the family as a camping cabin, with a kitchenette, a separate shower and separate toilet. This property has been loved for generations. Coming to the market for sale by auction, if you'd like more information or a copy of the new limb, please contact us, Tony Carrad and Rachel Rogers at Ray White, Bream Bay.